Welcome to my next clip. Today I made a custom piece. I took the Eminem display and I put a jelly bezel on it. Here it is, with matte white bands. And this amazing jelly bezel. I like it a lot. I think it looks very clear. I love that black negative display. It looks awesome in combination with the jelly bezel. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Please look at my channel, please look at my other clips, and please give me many positive rates and comments. I'm the doctor from Germany, and this was only a very short about this great custom piece. Thanks guys for watching, take care, bye.